So we get this writing advice that's commonly attributed to Mark Twain, sometimes to Agatha Christie, both really prolific authors, and it's this advice, Mr. Smith. You want to read it for us?
The key to getting ahead is getting started.
This is one of those principles of really productive writers are writers who make it a routine, who get started in the beginning so they give themselves time to come back and edit. And so with my students, I say, look, I want a shitty first draft. Why do you think I tell them, and even on the writing schedule, I use profanity. I use this term, shitty first draft. What's helpful about that?
It tells them exactly what they should be aiming for. I mean, it's not telling them that they should be giving you like a New York Times best-selling novel. It's okay if it's a shitty first draft.
Right, and it takes off some of the pressure. It's the sense of this should be bad. There's a different purpose to your first draft than your revised draft. In the beginning, you're doing something different.